Suno means listen in Hindi. Listening is the first act of love. We designed Suno, the world's safest fetal heartbeat listener, for mothers to listen to their baby's heartbeat. Unlike current fetal Dopplers, Suno does not transmit harmful ultrasound waves or require you to apply cold and sticky gel on the stomach. Suno is easy and safe to use. Pregnant women need to sit in a quiet place and connect the Suno device to their mobile. Place the device on the stomach and try to locate the baby's heartbeat. Equipped with advanced sound engineering technology, Suno filters unwanted noise and lets you listen to a clean heartbeat of the baby. Through our companion app, you can record the heartbeat while listening. You can also share this priceless experience with your loved ones. Suno is simple, safe, and elegant. But wait, Suno gives you much more. Kick counter to record your baby's movements and activity, non-invasive technology, and peace of mind. Suno, an emotion connected through technology. After 16 months of hard work, we tested dozens of iterations on hundreds of pregnant women. Suno is now production ready, and we need your support to bring it to the world. Support our crowdfunding campaign, Suno.